Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up everything on your Android phone to a USB drive. Let's jump in. Now, I have my USB drive here. Keep in mind, most Android phones have USB-C. So in my case, mine had a USB 2, and I needed to enter in or add a converter to get it to USB-C. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to plug in this USB flash drive. You can see I'm just plugging it into the normal port that you would charge your Android phone. After we've done that, let's swipe up from here and tap on your settings. Now, you can choose to either do this piecemeal, bringing photos and videos, etc. over to that USB flash drive, or you can back up everything all at once. To back up everything, once you've plugged it in, let's scroll down and you're going to look for where it says Accounts and Backup. Tap on that. Now you'll be able to see towards the bottom here is External Storage Transfer. So let's tap on that. And you can see it says Backup to the USB storage, the USB drive that I just plugged in. I can tap on it and it says searching for backups. Now this is where you can customize what exactly you do and don't want to be backed up. So you can choose everything here, or you can choose calls, contacts, and messages. Or in my case, I'm going to choose custom and then hit next. Now from here, I can choose to back up calls, messages, all of my apps, settings, home screen, images, etc. However, at the bottom, you can see it says find out what data does not be backed up or you cannot back it up. You can see calls and contacts, some of them, some of the app information, and home screen. Now, once you're ready to go, you can select everything or just whatever you want. And at the very bottom, if you have enough space, I don't in my case, but if you have enough space, just tap the backup button. It will transfer everything to that USB flash drive, and then you can always eject it and you'll have a backup in a physical drive. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.